What's up, YT Nation? We back at it again with another video. We're gonna start this one off a little different. We're not at the shop. We're at the old little shed, if that's what you want to call it, where I started out at. But today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean all this plastic trim around the whole vehicle with some Dawn dish soap and water. Rinse it down real good, let it dry, and then we're going to use the Cerakote trim coat restorer, and we're going to see how that does and try to bring this faded gray back to a nice black. So I got my water here with Dawn, and then I got this little scrub tool that I'm going to use just to clean all the plastics really good. I'm going to start on that, and then thinking about painting the rims black to match if that comes out really good black. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start cleaning all this stuff up really good and give her a good rinse down. So stick with me. Once we get this all done, rinse down, then we'll run it up to the shop, give it a good little wipe down right quick, and then put the trim coat on and see how it works. Stick with me. Alright, we got it all wiped down really good with the soapy water, scrubbed real good. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse her off and let her dry for a little bit. If we can get it close to that black, I'll be happy. Once it dries, it just looks all faded and weathered. So hopefully that trim coat restorer does a good job, and we'll see after this dries what it's looking like. So stick with me. All right, we got it up here at the shop. It ended up raining on me. Gonna go ahead and wipe off all these water spots and try to get it to dry up a little quicker. And then once it's completely dry, I got the heater going on in here. It's about 6:45, close to 7 o'clock in the morning. Gonna wipe it down, get it all nice and dry, let the heater run for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply this right here, the Cerakote ceramic trim coat. I watched a few videos on it, and hoping it brings this dull faded plastic that looks a little grayish back to a nice bright vibrant black. Not sponsored by this at all. I picked this up from Walmart for like $17. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry everything off, and we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so this pack comes with 8 individual applicator rags, and then I have a clean microfiber towel just in case I hit the paint. I'll be able to wipe it off. It also comes with 1 pair of gloves, but everything's all dry, clean, ready to go. We're going to head and open this pack up and bring this out here. I'm just going to open it one time, and we're going to start with the wiping, like a swipe motion. And we're going to start at the bottom, and we're going to run it up. nice even overlapping streaks. And we're just gonna keep it moving right along. Just hit the paint a little bit and go ahead and wipe it. And then continue on applying it. You want to get it in the cracks as good as you can without running it along the paint too much. Not sure what it'll do to the paint, but not trying to take no chances. Alright, and as you can see, from just that little bit, it made a world of difference. So let me show you. That compared to that. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the whole vehicle and show you what it looks like after, and then wait a little bit until it dries, and then I'll show you all the final results. But if it stays like that, I will be more than happy. But stick with me, we're gonna go ahead and get it all wiped down. All right, I got everything wiped down with the Cerakote. As you can see, it's nice and bright. Nice back to black. Went ahead and got the front, got the fog light bezels. I got the whole front done. And this side done as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for at least an hour before I pull it outside. I don't want no dirt or anything to get in there while it's drying and stick to it. Other than that, she looks pretty good to me. So we're gonna check back in an hour when it's dry and see what it's looking like. Stick with me. All right, so it's been about an hour. I just pulled it out. And she's still black. It's looking good to me so far. It might dry a little bit more. I'm not quite sure. But if it doesn't change any color from this and it just stays black like that, I'll be completely happy with that. Looks way better than it was. So tell me what y'all guys think. What should I do with these rims? I've already painted these ones these colors. I don't really care for it. It's not really a good match. But if you think I should go with like some kind of chrome maybe, or should I go black? Being that the windows are black, the mirrors got some black in them, all the trim around the whole car is black. Should I try to hit them with a black, or should I go do like a chromish kind of wheel, which this one and that back one I haven't done anything with yet. I was just testing out some stuff on the other side. But if I should go back with a chrome look, or should I paint them all that color? I got that one and that one are painted the same exact color, but the other two on that side, passenger side, have not been painted yet. So let me know what y'all think. What should I do with it? To do the whole car with the Cerakote, all the trim, it took 4 of the wipes. I probably could have got away with 3, but I hit it with 4 just to get some good extra coverage on it. I'm gonna wait like a day or two and see how it's looking. If I need to hit it again one more time with one more wipe, just a light coat over everything, I will. But the way it's looking as of right now, I'm happy with it. But we'll check back in a couple days and see what it's looking like. So we just pulled back up at the house. Well, back up at the little shed spot. It is Thanksgiving today, so I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. I'm about to go eat some of this food. We're doing like a Friendsgiving more than a Thanksgiving. But I'll show y'all what we got going on, what we about to eat right quick. Just a little clip. And then I'm gonna probably let the Jeep sit out till probably Monday morning. And then we'll take a look at it and see how that Cerakote, trim coat stuff is holding up. And we'll go from there. But as of right now, it's been about 2-3 hours. And she's still looking good. Nice and dark. I'm happy with it as of right now. But we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for a few days. And we'll check it on Monday. But stick with me if y'all want to check out what we got going on for this Thanksgiving food. All right, we back. It's been a few days. Last clip you seen was Thanksgiving Thursday. Today's Monday, and she's still looking good. I have no complaints so far. So it's been just about 4 days, and I don't see anywhere where it's faded or it didn't take or anything like that. So I'm happy with it. But let me know what y'all want to do with them rims, man, and I'll do something in the next video. Get those taken care of. But for now, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. If y'all like the tri-coat or trim coat, Cerakote stuff, I recommend getting it. $17 at Walmart isn't bad at all to bring that life back to, you know, your old faded, worn out black plastics and stuff. I'll definitely use it again in the future, I know that. But if y'all are entertained by stuff like that, and you know, you want to see more of it and all that good stuff, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that good stuff I tell you to do at the end of the videos. And definitely leave some comments, man, what y'all want to see on them rims. I'll go ahead and get that done in the next video. But until next time, peace out, YT Nation.